You know how some days feel like you are in a wrestling match with time? Audios to transcribe, reports to summarize, articles to edit, and somehow you are supposed to do all of these things within a deadline. Well, today's video might just be your lifesaver. I'm Titi, your Gen AI journalism bestie, and I help African journalists work smarter with AI and multimedia tools. And as always, savvy journalists we won't use AI. I beg enter. The rest no vex, excuse us. So let's get into it. Today, I'm spotlighting a tool that really gets the newsroom also. It's called News Assist AI. And guess what? It was built by one of us, a Nigerian journalist, Efrida Kevin Elerechi. This tool isn't just tech for tech's sake, it's built with African journalists in mind. And here's what it can do. It can transcribe audio interviews in 16 languages, including English, Dutch, French, Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, Pidgin, and even Swahili, Zulu, and Sesotho. It can summarize long documents and reports so that you can get the gist, not in hours, but in minutes. It can analyze data and pull insights, perfect for those tough development or investigative stories. And it can help you edit articles and refine drafts with clarity and consistency. In short, News Assist AI is that low key intern you've always needed, except it's AI. So I decided to check the AI features to see how it works in a real newsroom scenario. Join me. I want to show you how the News Assist AI tool works. So you go to your browser, you type in News Assist AI, and then you scroll to this one, News Assist AI, Genotech. And so it brings up this information about data and privacy policy. So you can read through it and accept. I've actually accepted it before. And yeah, that's that. So the first thing we need to do here, we have the first feature here is transcribe audio. So I'm using an audio in Hausa and then transcribe it. So your output language, let's just say it's going to be in Hausa, and let's transcribe it. Please note that I recorded the previous video like a month ago, and the platform was free at the time, although it indicated that it was free at that time. But now the platform is a freemium, so that means you can use the platform for a certain period of time until it's paid. So, for instance, for the transcription part, they said you can use just 60 minutes usage before you then pay. So this is the transcription in Hausa. I don't know Hausa, so I can't verify if this is absolutely correct or not. But it's amazing to know that you can actually transcribe your African languages. I think one feature what they will need to work on in this is to ensure that it's you can download it instead of just copying and pasting. So the next thing is data analysis. You select the file that you also want to analyze. I'm trying to do that in the process. You can't see my screen because of the protection from Google Chrome. So I select a research paper on visual storytelling, and then I indicate that I want it to highlight the importance of visual storytelling according to what's written in the research paper. And so it gives me just that. And I think this is a very brilliant feature for when you have like loads of documents, particularly when you're doing an investigation and you want to get an information like pretty fast. I think the PDF viewer has a PDF assistant AI tool as well that does something like this. And it should, like when you open up a PDF file on your Google Chrome, it would ask, there's like a pop-up that comes up where the AI assistant asks you what question do you want to get easily from that particular document. And so this is also what but that is paid for. This is free, so you can get all of that document, all of that information rather from your document. So this is what it has extracted from me from
This
that.
research paper highlights the crucial role of visual storytelling in boosting audience engagement within digital journalism. The study reveals that incorporating visual elements such as
So I think this feature is pretty cool. And the next thing will be to summarize reports. And so I'll go to a website. I'm going to my organization's website, pick up the story, and then we're going to summarize it. So if you want to do like a news recap for the next day, so I get to copy the documents, oh sorry, the article from the website, which I would then paste to the News AI, to News Assist AI. So I'm doing this like step by step so that you can see how I do it. And so you copy and then paste, select the language that you want it to do your summary in, which is also very cool. And then it also suggests headlines that you can use. So you can always probably even change the headline. You can have one headline, but when you are trying to like repurpose it to shorten it for a news recap, you can change the headline and suggest a different headline you can use just to keep your audience, excited or want to read the news again, or someone who hasn't seen it before can always see it in another dimension, something like that. And these are the suggested headlines, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, so like I said earlier, it would be nice to have it downloaded beyond just having to copy and paste. The next feature on this AI tool is article editing and grammar check. I mean, beyond the Grammarly that we usually know, this is something that has everything together. And so I copied the same text that I have from the website, from the news website from my organization. And then I indicate what exactly I want it to do, which I think is pretty smart. And also, one interesting thing I did was to change the language to Pidgin. So I know that the article is written in English, but I changed the language to Pidgin. I just wanted to see what it would be like, what the output would be like. And I think like it's very important. It's a powerful tool that can help in repurposing content for different audiences. So you can, if you have like a pidgin speaking audience or listening audience or viewing audience, this would be like an amazing tool that you can use for them. And so the results came out, the output came out pretty fast, and of course it indicated if how the level of correction that needed to be done or what needed to be fixed. And it said the article was like straightforward and there was nothing that needed to be edited. So but I like the fact that you could actually edit and then change the language into Pidgin, which is really, really nice, I must say. So, what do you think? Would this tool fit into your workflow? Have you tried it? If you have, let me know in the comment section. If you haven't and you try it, let me know your experience using it. Do you have any AI tool that you are struggling with and you want me to, break down for you? Let me know in the comment section, and I might just feature it in the next episode because this brand is about sharing all about what works for us as journalists. For more how to do's, deep dives, and digital storytelling apps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and catch quick tips on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X, Gen AI Journalism with Titi, or just my name, Titi Logwefadari. See you in the next one.